The UK government is moving to address the growing issue of unclaimed estates as hundreds of properties, bank savings and other assets belonging to deceased African migrants remain without rightful heirs. The latest update to the government's Bona Vacantia list reveals over 170 unclaimed estates linked to African-born individuals, with Nigerians making a major portion. If no legal claims are made within the stipulated time frame, these estates will be permanently absorbed by the state. For decades, African migrants in the UK have worked hard to build wealth and secure a better future. However, many pass away without leaving a will, causing their estates to fall under the laws which classify them as ownerless property. Without an identified next of kin, these assets, ranging from real estate to saving accounts, remain unclaimed, cutting families off from financial inheritances that can change their lives. The challenge extends beyond legal bureaucracy. Many African families remain unaware that their families had assets in the UK, making it difficult for them to claim what rightfully belongs to them. Migration often disrupts family communication, and cultural reluctance to discuss debt and wills worsens the problem. Even when families attempt to claim estates, they often face challenges due to incomplete records, missing documentation, or a lack of awareness about the legal process. To help families retrieve these estates, the UK government maintains a publicly accessible list of unclaimed assets. Families can search by name or place of birth to determine whether they have a rightful claim. If a connection is found, heirs must provide documentation such as birth and marriage certificates, proof of lineage, and personal identification to support their claims. While claims are generally accepted within 12 years of estate administration completion, with interest paid on the funds, some cases may be pursued up to 30 years after death, though without financial interest. Legal experts and community organizations are calling for greater awareness among African migrants regarding estate planning. Writing wills, keeping financial records updated, and informing family members of assets held abroad are critical steps in preventing wealth from being lost. African governments and diaspora groups are also being urged to educate communities on the importance of estate planning and how to navigate the legal processes involved in claiming unclaimed assets. Beyond the financial implications, these estates represent something deeper: the legacies of African migrants who worked, struggled, and built new lives in the diaspora. If their assets remain unclaimed, it is not just money that is lost, but a part of history, culture, and family connections that deserve to be preserved. Cassandra Yunumbe, Eagles FM News.